had some questions about what we handle in container handling equipment for ocean-going or intermodal containers. We are a dealer. We've been a dealer since 2007 for the Fantuzzi container line, which was then purchased in 2009 by Terex USA, which is a USA corporation. The plant's in Italy, and they manufacture what's called reach stackers that actually have a boom that comes out, reaches, and grabs the container, lifts it up, and drives it around and places it. We handle those. We also handle the empty container handlers. They're called ECH machines, made by Fantuzzi, now Terex. Those machines lift the empty containers for stacking. They stack them as high as 7 high, almost 50 feet high. That's an entirely different type of machine. And we also handle in the Fantuzzi Terex line what's called a top-loaded container handler. Looks like a forklift with a massive rectangular attachment to the forklift that grabs the container by each of the 4 ends and lifts that loaded container sometimes as high as 43 feet. So those are the 3 major ones that we handle new. We have close to $500,000 in used parts for that Fantuzzi Terex line. We do service work for Fantuzzi Terex as a dealer. We also supply our own customers with service. We do service in the U.S. We've gone to the islands in the Bahamas and done work down there. We have a large variety of used container handling machines. Right now, we have 14 of them in stock, used ones, in all different capacities and sizes, most of them in the Fantuzzi name brand. And between our parts and service capability, we're pretty much able to do anything with the Fantuzzi container handling equipment anywhere in the U.S. Pretty much self-sufficient. We're the only dealer on the East Coast. There's a dealer in Portland, Oregon. They don't go out and do too much work. They work at a port. We work not in ports, but any other location in the U.S., including the military. We do work for the military. So we're pretty well versed in container handling equipment.